ludicrous
No,
now? Dad, that's scary. I want to see that.
I just found out that this Tesla has a $20,000 feature, but we'll get to more of that later. Since I started my YouTube journey, I have always wanted to rebuild the Tesla. So a few months ago, I set out to find the cheapest Tesla. I paid $10,500 for it. These are all the receipts for all the parts. Well, today we're gonna do the cost breakdown of how much it cost me to rebuild this Tesla. These plastic pieces right here, $345. Now we have to install them into the car, but I have a very special helper who's gonna help me install them. So let's install them and then we can finish going around the car and talking about how much everything else costs. Front truck piece with the front, $285. Rear diffuser, that was $60. And those things that Core is gonna install were $30 each. So rather than replacing this whole mirror, I found out that this cap piece is just one piece. So we're gonna replace it, and that piece was $40. Now, if you don't remember, this rim was completely destroyed from the accident. I ended up buying a whole set of new rims off from somebody used for $750. Everything up here, the suspension pieces, so, you know, I made my own FSD to pull it in the garage. Who needs FSD when you have toe straps, a winch from the F250? But the knuckle that goes back there was $250. The ball joint underneath was $50, and the tie rod end was also $50. And then there was these that I had to purchase from Tesla, and Tesla recommended both sides to be done, and that was $475. This shock tower that we had to cut and re-weld in, that was $500. This shotgun rail right here was $495. Now behind this, there was a ton of stuff that had to be replaced. Now this radiator, the radiator support and the shroud that goes around it was $1,273. The AC condenser that you see right here was $212. The fan, $85. And then the AC condenser on the other side, $123. AC lines, $200. The front crash bar, $110. We're just getting started, so let's see if I can speed this up a little bit. Headlight, $110. This jump lead, $210. Home link or radar or whatever, that was $65. This orb, $260. All the sensors to go all the way around, $92. This radar, $190. This taillight, $210. Now I did break this window motor, that was $100. Now let's talk about the things that are going to make this build really pricey. Like this hood, $1,100. Fender, $450. This bumper was $1,000. Now the nice thing about this bumper was it came with all the fog lights. Now there was a lot of things like wire harness, the shrouds that go around the AC condenser, the time for my stepdad to come over, Seth to come over, every little nut and bolt, and that was $971. And the taxes and fees of $2,100. So the total to rebuild this car was $22,721. Now I know what you're thinking, you're like, well, you could have just bought one for that price. You guys are probably right, but I wanted to do this as a learning experience, and leave a comment below. Did I make a good purchase? Did I make a bad purchase? But now I think it's time to talk about the features that this car has, the $20,000 feature, and it has just one more feature on it that I was not expecting. Here in the video, I said that this car has a $20,000 feature on it. That feature is Ludicrous Plus mode. In Ludicrous mode. The car was retrofitted because they didn't come out with that until 2015. And I must tell you that Ludicrous mode is absolutely insane. So there also is one more thing. See, I got the Tesla app and I logged into it, and if you see right there at the bottom, free supercharging. Now, I don't know if it's gonna be transferable, but Tesla has to do their service to make sure all the repairs are right, at which I will be showing you guys Tesla's inspection if they allow me. Let's see some people's reaction to Ludicrous mode. So you've never been in a Tesla, dude?
No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He up.
Oh my gosh!
So is this the first time you've been in a Tesla?
I've been in the Tesla that Joe rented, the SUV style Tesla.
The Model Y, right?
Yeah.
Is it that one?
Yeah, in LA. It's like easy. You know what I'm saying? It's like yeah, it's fast, but like no, I mean that's dude, this is something else. Like it's just
All right, here we go. First ride in the Tesla. Grandma's taking a ride. Quiet.
oh, what is that?
First ride.
Oh.
Woo! Oh my God! No!
What fast mode? I want to go fast. It still goes really
Oh, Tim! Oh my gosh! That made me feel sick.
No motor power. Launch mode enable. Ready?
Oh god.
You ready, bro?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's lowering cheetah mode, huh? You ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh, it didn't work.
Oh my god. Now the Tesla is not part of the Flip series. I know, I'm sorry if I made it seem like that, but it is not. I'm actually going to be giving the car to my wife. She deserves a new car. Not only that, I bought the Tesla so I can learn about it, so maybe in the future, because I had to figure out how to find parts for cheaper. I could possibly make a profit. But if you guys do want to watch the new car in the Flip series, we have the Audi A5 that got a ton of parts in. That should be a video coming soon, so I think we pretty much got everything for this Audi to put it back together. But as always, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch the Audi build, and if you want to see if maybe one day I'll reach a Lamborghini, be sure to hit that subscribe button. You're awesome. This video is over, and peace.